Siguiendo la implementación del nuevo Administración con el 911 Emergency y 8888 Complaint Hotline Call Services, el Departamento de Obrero y Empleo o DOLE esperanzó también establecer un nationwide hotline call service. Aquí puede reportar el público, especialmente aquel mga empleyado na privado sector te enfrenta problema. Mga asunto tiene que hacer na hindi propio dalida del sueldo, tratamiento del employer y hindi propio dalida de mga benepisyo. Según con el Assistant Regional Director del DOLE na región, Yaya Senti, preparó el Zamboanga Peninsula para soportar con el movimiento del DOLE Central Office.
Nationwide, I think we'll be launching this August 14, something like that. That will be nationwide. Yes, we are ready for this nationwide launching of our hot services or call 24/7, you call that. Yes.
Bajo na Orden Administrativo 409 Series of 2016, tadiriji con todo mga head attached agencies, regional offices, Philippine Overseas Labor Offices para establecer con el 24/7 DOLE hotline call services. Fuera con este ta intensifique también ahora el DOLE, chequea con mga establecimiento ta continúa con el end of practice o contractualization.
This is now we have already a mandate. I think the President has already directed the department. Our Secretary also directed all regional offices, and right now we are working in this on the matter. And then we are ensuring that directive will be carried out. So at the moment we are now planning for the data on all these things, and perhaps we will come up to the media conference and we will announce. But the target is that by the end of this year, 50% of the contractualization or end of for that matter will be out, and then in 2017 that will be the entire endo system, or you call the contractualizations, will be phased out.
El presidente de más temprano ya dalia warning con mga establecimiento y compañía ta viola na ley ta impone el gobierno. Crystal Almunia, Dateline Zamboanga.